Hello world! Welcome back to another BCACTF 3.0 write-up video. In this video, we'll be walking through the reversing challenge password manager. Let's get into it. I forgot my password to the password checker, which is stored in the password checker, which I forgot the password to. Here's my password checker. Can you help me remember the password? So they give you a little pwd manager.py file. If we open it up, we have a hashed pwd up here. That's probably the password we need to recover. And then we have the key, which is just characters, like basic ASCII characters mapped to numbers. And if you notice with the hash password that each pair of numbers in the string maps to a character in the key. So that's probably how we're going to decode it. And if we look down here with the hash for element in unhashed, so whatever the plain text is, result plus equals string key element. So yes, so for each character in the flag, it's going to map to a number. So I already wrote a script to kind of do this for us. I'll maximize this. So here's our hash password. And all I did was swap the keys and the values because we're doing the reverse, right? So we want to map the numbers, the keys, to a specific letter, which is the value, rather than mapping the letters to specific numbers. And that's pretty much all this script does. And if we come down here, we look through the hash password and we skip every other letter because we're dealing with each pair of characters in the hash password. So here we have key, which is this, of course, right? Key at hash password of I. So let's take the first one, for example. That'd be 1 plus hash password of I plus 1. Since this is a string, that concatenates them. So you'd get 11. And then you could even go to the next one. So hash password I would be, once you skip, you would go to the third index, right? Because it's every other index, or index 2, essentially. And so that'd be 1 plus 2, or 1 concatenated with 2, which is 12, which is the next set of characters, or the next pair of characters. So then I had to convert it to an int because the keys are integers. So that's all that int casting is doing. And then, the usual int equals so that all the characters line up on one line and they're not on separate lines. So let's run it. And there's our flag, secure password. So let's take that, submit it. And there we go. If you enjoyed the video, drop a like and subscribe to the channel to show your support. Turn on post notifications to get regular injections of cyber content directly into your feed. Check out our Patreon, join our Discord, and follow us on Twitter. Links in the description box down below. And leave any feedback or questions in the comments section down below. This is Almond Milk. Thanks for watching. Goodbye, world.